What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your Wrangler lifted, you should take a look at this build to see if it's something you want to go with for your Jeep. This one's going to have a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to really help fit this bigger wheel and tire package. So with the new JLs, you don't have to put as high of a lift kit to fit the same wheel and tire package as you would for the JKs. So you only have to put the 2.5-inch instead of the 3.5-inch, like I just said. The tire is going to be a 35, 12, 50, 22 Fury Country Hunter RT. The RT is the hybrid tire, so it still has that aggressive look of a mud-terrain. So you still get that aggressive sidewall and the thicker, more aggressive-looking tread. But you're also going to get the on-road experience that you might be looking for with the quieter ride and longer tread life. There's a couple other options for hybrid tires. You can go with the Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is one that we really highly recommend, and then also the Toyota Open Country AT3. Down here we have a 22x12 fuel siege, and this one's going to be the matte black finish, and this one's going to have a nice concave look to it with a -44 offset. So this one's going to have that really sunken in center of the wheel, which really gives it some dimension and push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it a nice wider look. This wheel also features a step lip, so you're going to have your normal looking lip that's going to be kind of small, and then it's going to go up another step, and then it's going to have some rivets back here in between the spokes. So really this one's going to give it a little bit more of an aggressive look, and to complement that is also going to have the open lug, so you can run some spike lug nuts with this wheel if you choose to do so. This wheel does come in 3 finishes. You have your black, you have your DDT finish, which is a unique look, especially for this wheel, and then also your platinum. And then for sizes, you come from anything from an 18x9 up to a 26x14. So there's plenty of options for you to choose from. So if you guys like this build, like this wheel and tire setup with this Jeep, you can get that for your Jeep as well. We can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs, but make sure you also check out our 0% financing options, so you can go ahead and get your vehicle built, buy the stuff now, and then pay it later.